Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between equity and stock. Equity indicates an ownership position in an asset. In most cases, equity indicates a total ownership stake in a company. For instance, when you have equity in a business, you expect the value of the business to increase in value so that you can benefit from your stake in the business. On the other hand, while equity describes ownership, a stock describes a single unit of that ownership share. The more stock you buy, the more your equity. Put simply, a stock is the means with which you can engage in company equity transactions. So, let's look into the basic differences between equity and stock in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Equity need not be listed on a stock exchange, whereas stock must be listed on one or more stock exchanges. Number 2. Equity value is disclosed in the company's balance sheet, whereas stock value is not directly disclosed in the balance sheet. Number 3. Equity is valued using book value, assets minus liabilities, whereas stock is valued based on its market price multiplied by the number of shares. Number 4. The price of equity does not fluctuate since it is not traded, whereas stock prices fluctuate regularly depending on market demand and supply. Number 5. Equity does not involve general public participation, whereas stock involves public participation through open trading. Number 6. Equities are not traded on stock exchanges, whereas stocks are actively traded on exchanges like NYSE, NASDAQ, or NSE. Number 7. Equity value is not directly considered in mergers and acquisitions, whereas stock value plays a crucial role in M&A valuation. Number 8. Equity represents the overall ownership interest in a company, whereas stock represents tradable units of that ownership. Number 9. Equity is a broad concept without categories, whereas stocks are of two main types, common and preferred. And difference number 10. Equity as ownership is not tightly regulated, whereas stock issuance and trading are strictly monitored by regulators such as SEBI or SEC. So, these are the differences between equity and stock. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.